Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Moorish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe of chicken quesadilla, a very yummy Mexican dish. You fill cheese in tortillas and then grill them. You can add any savory filling. I used chicken with some veggies and of course cheese, and then I serve it with pico de gallo. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's salad which you can serve on the side of any Mexican dish, especially with quesadillas. So let's go and see what we need for this yummy recipe. We need chicken fillets. As you all know, I prefer to have thigh part. You can use breast fillets as well, but I'll be using these chicken thighs. Then I have some taco seasoning mix, and I'll be using salt and black pepper. Then in veggies I have green, red and yellow bell peppers, and I'll be using some sliced onions as well. Then I have some Monterey Jack cheese and then flour tortillas. And then I'll be using butter and some oil as well. So let's go and make this recipe. So first step is to cook our chicken, and for that just season your chicken with salt, pepper and taco seasoning. That's what our chicken need. So just lay them flat, sprinkle some salt, black pepper and then taco seasoning on top. Rub it very well and leave it on a side for, I say, 5 minutes. Then add chicken in a pan which is already preheated with some olive oil, and let this chicken cook for on a medium to high heat until it's completely done. I say 4 minutes each side. Now that's the golden perfect caramelized color. That's what we need on a chicken. Just flip the chicken and give another 3 to 4 minutes to your chicken. And now it's look like it's completely done. Just take the chicken out and then I'm gonna dice up the chicken into small pieces. But more the color on the chicken, the more tastier your quesadilla will be. Now I'm gonna dice up my chicken into small pieces. Quesadillas are no-brainer, very quick and yummy recipe. You can add any filling whatever is in your hand, and these are perfect for school lunches. Then in the same pan add a little bit of more olive oil. Then add your onions, your red, yellow and green bell peppers. They look so beautiful and colorful, and just cook them until onions start to get a little bit caramelized. And then when they're almost done, I just sprinkle some little bit of more taco seasoning just for a flavor, but that's completely optional. Now it's time to assemble our quesadillas. First, butter the pan on medium to high heat. Lay your flour tortillas and then sprinkle some cheese on top of it. Cheese goes first because it's gonna be closer to the heat and melt faster. Then sprinkle your chicken chunks and then goes the peppers. And then you can totally customize it. You can add more chicken or less peppers or vice versa. And then sprinkle some more cheese on top of it and goes the other flour tortilla on top, and cook this until it gets a very nice golden color. And then it's time to flip and then cook it again until it gets the golden color at the bottom as well. And then serve it with pico de gallo. And for that, take finely chopped onions, chopped tomatoes and equal part of chopped cilantro. Just add them in a mixing bowl, squeeze some lime juice or lemon juice and then sprinkle some salt. Mix, and it's done. And for serving, cut each quesadillas into wedges. And if you see the cheese is oozing out, means you're doing a perfect job. Chicken quesadillas served with pico de gallo. It's a complete meal which my family thoroughly enjoyed. I usually make this chicken ahead, keep it in the fridge, just assemble in the morning with some cheese, and then it's best for their school lunches, or it's a very quick fix dinner. If you like this recipe or try it at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. I'll try to make it happen. Thanks again for watching. And click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, so you cannot miss any other recipes or update.